Let's eat Assad's hot chicken. Damn, David, you got some competition with Assad. Assad, your tender schmack. These fries are crunchy. They're sando with cheese fries. Dude, this is so bomb. I've never had a tender wrap before. This combo definitely works. Ooh, this looks bomb. This thing low with cheese fries, tenders, pickles, and Assad sauce. Pretty good stuff.
Finally trying the viral sizzling bites here in beautiful Pennsylvania. The owner was 18 when he opened his first spot and now has 2 locations with 4 more opening up in the next couple months. This is the chicken and lamb over rice. That's actually really good. The chicken is nice and tender and has great flavor. I got mine with 3 different sauces. If you haven't had lamb yet, I highly recommend. Shout out to this young buck right here. What were you doing at 18 years old? If that doesn't inspire you, I don't know what will. This one's a classic chicken over rice. His chicken is great. Take that bite. This is up there for sure. Y'all want this bite right here? They wouldn't let me walk out without getting the smash burger. I got mine with bacon and special sauce. It's a really nice size and it also comes with fries. I really don't know who made this, but they need a raise. This is a great option if you're not feeling a platter. I also saw chicken tenders over mac and cheese. Getting this was a simple decision. That's a really cheesy mac and cheese, and the crispy tenders on top make this so fire. This kid got some good ass food. Overall, I definitely see the hype.
Birria Pizza, Ramen, and Tacos again, but this time from Los Barbados Birria in Asbury Park, New Jersey. How you doing? It's a goddamn fiesta in this bitch. Oh my God. That was the crunch heard around the world, bro. These things are crispy, but the inner shell's nice and soft, bro. This is that shit. Damn. Taqueria's birria ramen is definitely better, but this is still good. Cucumber drink with some tahini. This might be like top 5. That thing is refreshing. I need another slice of that pizza. Sex.
Got an Olipop variety pack from Sam's Club. King crab. Strawberry vanilla Olipop. Let's eat this hot Cheeto dump.
Viral intimation crab. I asked for extra boneless. Mango. A little bit. This thing does. Potato. Oh, finally got out of my shirt. Banana. Just needed my rice.
Let's eat some Jollibee. Of course, we gotta start with the chicken. Spicy is personally my favorite. And with the gravy. If your chicken doesn't look like this after, it is not done. I've actually never had their adobo rice. Let's try it. Ooh. This is actually so good. And with gravy. And I guess Jollibee has cheeseburgers now. This is their Angus Deluxe cheeseburger. It's actually not bad. The bun is actually really soft, and the Angus beef patty is actually really flavorful. But the real star of the show is their chicken. I could literally eat Jollibee every day. Look at the crisp on that. Listen to this crunch. Some rice on there. And gravy. Look at that bite. I will forever love Jollibee.
Have you ever tried honeycomb? Have a bite. Look at each individual combs. Isn't that crazy how bees make that? If you're wondering how these taste like, it just tastes like honey, but the texture is more thick and a little waxy. Ooh, this would taste good with sourdough bread and butter.
So today's order was Five Guys with a grilled cheese cheeseburger, and I asked her for 5 patties and she only put in 4, I believe. But it was good though. I couldn't finish it. It was really good. 10 out of 10.
Trying Nigerian food for the first time. Love food. I don't know why people choose. Fufu is so good. Also got cassava leaf and iba. I still like fufu better. I know I need my meat pie. My favorite, puff puff. I order extra for tomorrow. Best rice.
Have you ever tried In-N-Out with cane sauce? Let's try it. 4x4s, Flying Dutchman, animal style fries, well done fries. Not gonna lie, cane sauce goes with everything. This is so good. Did you know that In-N-Out has been open for 75 years? This is it.